hear your voice. I ain't got no choice, cause I'm here all alone. I know I can't wait till you get home. Oh, I don't have you here with me, but at least I have.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be recreating this look on the left side of my face. It is a purpley smoky eye with a gold color, and so hopefully you guys will be inspired to recreate this look from your home. I did go ahead and do the rest of my face using the Dior Skin Foundation, and so everything is done. My eyebrows are done. If you do want to watch a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, make sure you check out my previous video. I will link it in the description box, but let's go ahead and get started. So to start off, for the transition color, I'm going to be using this palette, Tarte Pro palette, and I am going to be using this color right here, which is the color Innocent, and I am just going to focus that on the crease. And we're just going to go ahead and focus right here on the crease. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with this color. I'm sorry guys, I completely forgot this part, but we're gonna go ahead and go into this color Whimsy, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it on the crease as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with this purple color right here, which is the color Mod. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it right here in the corner of our eye. So we're not gonna bring it all the way over here to the inner corner. We're just gonna focus on the outer corner and the middle, and then we're gonna stop right there. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and bring it in right here in this corner. Just wrapping it around the edge right here. I am so sorry, there is some kid outside of my house yelling like crazy. So I am sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now that we have that beautiful dark color in the corner, we're gonna go ahead and grab a different brush, which is this one right here from Me Makeover Essentials, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with this brown color right here, which is the color Edgy, and we're just gonna go ahead and pack this on the corner right here. We're not going to bring it up or anything, we're just going to pack it right there in the corner. Then we're going to go to our blending brush, and we're just going to go ahead and blend it right there in the corner. Okay, so now that we have that color nice and blended, we're gonna go ahead and get this color right here, which is the color Drama. And this is a dark purple. And we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Put it right here in the corner. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend. Okay, now that we have those colors in place, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer right here. And this is the brush I use to do the cut crease. It's from Echo Tools. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the crease now. Of course, today had to be the day that all the kids are outside playing, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and use this Subculture Anastasia palette right here, which you guys know is one of my favorite palettes. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab this flat brush right here. And I'm gonna use the color Electric, which is this one right here. It's a gold color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pat that on top of the concealer where I just did my cut crease. And then you just pack it on until you kind of find the intensity you want. And so I want this look to be really dramatic, so I'm going to put on quite a few layers. Okay, so it looks like we have a pretty good intensity going on right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back with this Me Makeover Essentials brush. I'm gonna go back in with the color Mod, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. And that's just to kind of create a ombre look right here, so everything is nice and blended out. Okay, I'm gonna go real quick. I'm gonna go in real quick with this blending brush and just blend in the corners. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get this brush right here, which is the Naked Urban Decay brush, and I like to use this side of the brush to do the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to be going in with that color Electric again, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring it out to my tear duct, using it as a highlight. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner pencil, and this is the Jordana eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and go inside. I'm going to go ahead and use this angled liner from Sephora, and I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the color black and bring it in from the outer corner of my eye to the middle of my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Maud again, which is a nice color purple. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside right here in the inner corner. So if you have a little bit of fallout, we're just gonna go ahead and clean it up a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. eyeliner right here, and I am gonna go ahead and do the top eyeliner. Okay, so now that we have the eyeliner, I like to put black eyeshadow just because it is like one of the most cheapest eyeliners out there, and it tends to kind of flake out by the middle of the day. And the reason why I have a cheap one is because I don't do eyeliner every single day because I'm still practicing on eyeliner. Honestly, I feel like I have hooded eyes, and just having too much black on my eyes makes my eyes a little bit small. If you guys think otherwise and you guys do like how I look with eyeliner, please let me know in the description box, because that would really help me. It's just something that I've been kind of trying to figure out, so your opinion would be so helpful. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette right here, Too Faced palette. This is the palette from last year, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Stiletto, which is this black, but it also has some glitter in it, some silver glitter, and which I think is so beautiful with this look. You guys probably don't notice it on the video, but it does show very beautiful. It does show the beautiful glitter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my angled brush again, and I'm just gonna go ahead and map that out with the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so that is pretty much everything for this video. I did go ahead and put my fake lashes on outside of this video just because I take forever to put on fake lashes since it's something I don't use on a regular basis. But I did use this Ardell lash book right here. I purchased this lash book around, I think, December when holidays were going on. It was about $10 and it had quite a few lashes on there. So those are the lashes I'm using right now. They are Ardell. Honestly, I don't know which ones they are, but they are beautiful. And then to finish off with the lipstick, I did go ahead and use this NYX matte lipstick, which is in the color Lippy right here. And then I went ahead and went in with this Jordana lip liner right here in the color Tawny. I think I said that right. Tawny. And then finally I went back in with this Revlon lipstick in the color Berry Smoothie. because the NYX is very dry and I kind of wanted to do a glossy look because of all the shimmery and the highlight. And so this is the lipstick I used for that. And so pretty much this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, any suggestions, make sure you put them in the description box. I am using like my robe right now because I am going to be going to church and I need to get ready, and so my hair is really simple right now, but I really wanted to come on and show you guys this beautiful look, which you can just use on a regular basis or for a party or something glamorous. I think it's beautiful and I hope you guys think the same as well. So I will talk to you guys at the next video. Bye guys.